सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते.
Hello friends, welcome to the Navratri special. 9 days, 9 surprises. We are giving various topics. Surprises means related to your CIB. Various topics are given. Various topics are explained. Just now we saw the worship for Ma Goddess Durga, Saraswati, Lakshmi, anything you can call it. So with that worship, let's start with the topic for 10 minutes. What is given? Spot rate is given as 35.6065. Forward for 1 month is given as 3500 and 3000. 2 month is 55 and 5. 3 month is 85 and 80. Transit period is given as 20 days. Exchange margin is given as 0.15%. Calculate the bill buying rate. It's a buying. Buying means export. Kindly note. Whenever you have a buying rate, kindly note it's an export transaction. Okay? Export. So now, how to solve a forex problem? Kindly note. While solving a forex problem, you have to focus on 3 aspects. One is buy and sell, whether it's buy or sell. Second is forward margin, and third is exchange margin or TT margin we call it. So it is always buy or sell. Kindly note these points. First is buy or sell. Buy or sell. Second is forward margin. Forward margin. And third is exchange margin. Exchange. Exchange margin. Okay? So kindly note these 3 points you must never ever forget in any forex problem. You must start in the same sequence only. Now the basics of forward margin and exchange margin, you must know this. What is the basic of forward margin? See, the basic of forward margin is if the currency is in premium, you will add the forward margin. If the currency is in discount, you will subtract it. Clear? Yeah. Earlier also I have cleared this. Basic of the exchange margin. Whenever you buy any currency, you will subtract it. Whenever you sell any currency, you will add it. This is the only basic. So you have to remember these basics. Okay? So now let's move on. What is given? Spot is given 35.6065. What is next? Forward is given 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. That's it. Transit period is given as 20 days. Now this is a real catch. This will decide what I have to take, whether I have to take 1 month or 2 month or 3 month. This will decide. So now, let's look at this. This is spot. Spot means today. Spot. Okay. Transit period is given as 20 days. So when I send the documents, it is taking 20 days. So 20 days, 20 days. Now, this 20 days will lie between what? 20 days will lie between what? 0. Spot means 0. And 20 will lie between 0 and 30. Why 30? Because we are focusing on 1 month. This is our target. 1 month or 2 month or 3 month. Month means 30 days. So, we are focusing on 0 to 30 days, 1 month. So, I'll lie somewhere over here, 20 days, 20. Okay. So, now, my focus point should be spot rate and 1 month rate. This 2 month is of no use to me. This 3 month is of no use to me. Zero use for me. 2 month and 3 month, zero use. Got it? So, got it everyone? Clear this point? Spot and 1 month. Why? Because I'm only focusing on 20 days. This margin we'll see it later. First, let's solve first these steps. Buy or sell. First, it's already given buy. So forget this sell. So buy clear. Now forward margin. Forward margin for this we are doing this. What is the 1 month rate given? 35.30. So what does this mean? Forward this currency is in premium or discount? 35.30. Right side is lower. Whenever you have right side lower, the currency is in discount. Discount. Okay, currency is in discount. Discount means minus. Just now I told you minus. Currency is in discount. Okay. So which rate will I take? 35 or 30? Shall I take 35 or shall I take 30? I am buying. Buying means always left side. So 35 point, this 35 and 30, right? So I'll always take, this is always buy and this is always sell. Okay? So I'll take this rate now, 35. So I'll write it over here, 0.35. 35. Let's write it in points. And what is the spot rate? 35.6. 35.60. Spot is 35.60 and 1 month is 0.35. But that is minus. Kindly note because it is in discount. It is in discount. So first find the rate. 35.60 minus 0.35. So 35.25. Right? This is my new rate. 35.60 minus 0.25. So 35.25. Right? Got it? Getting this everyone? 35.25. Now what have I to do? I am dealing in 20 days. Here I am dealing in. Whenever I am dealing in between, I'll have to use the concept of buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Kindly remember, buy low, sell high. Okay, buy low, sell high. This is the concept you will be remembering. So you are doing what now? Are you buying or selling? You are buying. So forget this sell high. You will only focus on buy low. You will focus on the lower rate now. Which is the lower rate over here? Tell me. Which is the lower rate over here? Yes. Which is the lower rate over here? Lower rate. 35.60 or 25? It is 35.25. So this rate I will take. I will not take this rate now. 35.60 will be cancelled. Buy low. I will buying at a lower rate. So 35.25. Got it everyone? So now where have you come in these three steps? First step is gone. Second step is gone. Forward margin. This answer is for the forward margin. Now what is remaining? Third, exchange margin. Now focus on the exchange margin. What is the exchange margin? 0.15%. This exchange margin you will always have to calculate on the last rate. Whatever you have got. Only if the problem says that calculate it on spot rate, then calculate it on spot rate. If the problem says. Otherwise don't. Okay? So, solve this now. For finding the exchange margin, what you have to do is exchange margin. Look at this. Exchange margin. Exchange margin, MRG, okay, equals to 0.15%. Kindly note 0.15 upon 100 into what is the latest rate? 35.25. 35.25. So what is the answer now? Do this everyone. 0.15 upon 100 into 35.25. Do this. 0.15 upon 100 into 35.25. So what are you getting? 0.052. Are you getting this? Everyone give me the answer. Are you getting it? 0.052. 8 is also there. take only 2 points. Chalo. 0.052. 8 is also there, leave that 8. So now, do we have a page? Yes, we are having the page. So, now TT margin is, see this, what was my rate? Rate was 35.25, rate. 35.25. And what was that margin? TT margin equals to, it was 0.052. 0.052. You are doing a buy transaction, buy. You are buying it. For buying, what did I tell you? TT margin. TT margin is always minus. For buying, you will have to do the minus. So minus this. 35.25 minus 0.0525. Do it, everyone. So you must be getting it as 35.19. 35.19. So this is your latest answer and final answer. This is the rate quoted to the customer.